Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be talking about the two very well-known smartwatches by the Chinese manufacturer Kingwear, and we have with us the KW88 and the KW99, and we are going to be comparing the similarities and differences between these two watches. Before we start today, if you guys have seen my other videos in my channel where I talk about electronics, gadgets, and the coolest watches, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will be sure to be back with you with more regular content just like this. If you guys do proceed to purchase these watches after this video, you can use my affiliate links in the video description below, and I will be able to earn a commission at no extra cost to you, where you can actually purchase these watches on Amazon and eBay and trusted sources, so you do not have to worry. Okay, now let's begin. With the KW88, you can see the difference here is that the KW88 is less premium, so this is the less expensive watch, which can go from anywhere of $80 to $110. It's slightly cheaper, and the band here is made out of silicone. Okay, so which I like because it could sustain water, and it really does not get ruined by water. And after you have some moisture on your hand or sweat, it does not feel uncomfortable with the silicone band. The case is made out of aluminum, and it's pretty nice to have, just the increments, details of the minutes marks over here. Aluminum case with speakers, so you could be sure to hear some sound, some pretty decent sound from this watch. It charges through a 4-pin magnetic charger, so you just snap it on, and you can just charge right through it, so it's pretty cool. It also has a fitness sensor, so it will be able to perform a lot of your fitness functions, even though this is a pretty dressy watch. Now let's go through the KW99. The KW99 has a leather band, so right off the bat, it's a leather band. So it is not recommended that you take this watch anywhere near water because, for one, it is not waterproof. Two, the band is going to get ruined whenever it sustains quite a bit of water, so that's not recommended that you take this watch towards any kind of water environment. The case here looks a lot more premium than the KW88, right? It's fully aluminum with a lot more details on the edges of the case. It also has a speaker, charges through a 4-pin magnetic charger, fitness sensor, SIM card slot. Okay, now let's go through the actual home screen and some of the internal features of the watch. So right off the bat, if you want to check out the watch faces that each of these watches come with, you will want to long press the home button, and then you can swipe left and right to check out some of the watch faces that the watch comes with. So this has about a handful of them, so you will probably not get tired or bored when you start out with this watch. You also have the option of downloading free or paid watch faces depending on the source that you go to. Okay, now the KW99 is going to come with some different watch faces. I feel that the theme of the KW99 is more premium, and it's really trying to imitate an actual quartz watch. So a watch with, minutes, seconds, and hours hands, unlike the KW88, which has more of a digital feel to it. So the difference I know from the KW99 here is just that it comes with a lot cooler watch faces, like this one. It also does have some of the, I believe it does have some overlapping watch faces with the KW88, such as this watch face, which is one of the default ones that it comes with. You can also download watch faces. Okay, so now let's go through the menu. Now, if you go through the main menu here, you're going to see a little bit of a difference in terms of its format, right? But for most part, they should have very similar, if not almost the same, functions. You can have your contacts, your phone function, Bluetooth calling, your health functions, messaging, music control, remote capture, settings, browser, music, gallery, clock, file manager. You have sound recorder here. Well, also has sound recorder here. Weather, calendar, voice search, Play Store, connected phone. Yep, that's a given. Maps. So it does not look like KW99 does have maps. So very similar features. I believe I found almost all of the same features from these two watches. The really main differences here is just that the theme of the watches and the look of the watch. So like I said, the KW99 is the more dressier version of the watch. And despite that, it's, a dressy watch. You can still track fitness data, which is really cool. So, you don't have to switch on your fitness tracker just because you don't want to wear a dressy watch. Okay, so out of these two watches, I have spent more time wearing the KW88. It's a very cool watch to wear, and like I said, I don't have to worry about getting it wet at times, even washing your hands. So, the band's not going to get ruined. It still has a very cool and premium feel to it, even though not as much as comparing to the KW99. The KW99 is definitely a special occasions watch. I would wear this watch with either a suit or, just something a lot dressier. This I can wear for a lot more occasions, casual. Even for dressy occasions, I don't mind wearing the KW88. Out of these two watches, one thing I do enjoy the KW99 more is its very cool watch faces that it comes with. Like I said, it comes with more quartz-like watch faces. So, it's some kind of difference between these two. And if I had to pick one, I would go with the KW88 for the reasons I mentioned. So thank you for tuning into this short video of the comparison of these two watches. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video or want to see more videos just like this, subscribe to my channel. And if you guys do proceed to purchase this watch, use my affiliate links below, which will take you to Amazon or eBay. And I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. See you in the next video.